What's up everybody, my name is Michael Gardiner and I am back again with the daily uploads in April. And in today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I was asked over Instagram direct message, which is, Michael, what do you think the 3 best businesses are to start in 2021? So today we are going to answer that wonderful question. Now, before we dive into it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up because you know it's going to be good. And let's dive in. I am obviously a bit biased towards starting an agency, so I am going to include that, but I wanted to include 2 other business types that are a bit different. Now, one of these business types is one I'm doing, and the other one is one I'm not currently doing, but I've done something similar in the past. So I'm going to give a quick overview of the 3 businesses that I would consider starting if I was brand new. The first one is an online agency, which we'll dive more into. The second one is affiliate marketing of YouTube, and the third one is flipping furniture and other items from thrift stores, marketplace, and also let go and offer up. So let's jump into the first one, starting an online agency. Notice how I don't necessarily say marketing agency. When I say online agency, I mean a B2B service that you can sell to someone and either fulfill yourself or outsource the fulfillment. A really common example is a Facebook ads agency, where you sell, say, local business, Facebook lead generation, and then you have a team member who you pay a fraction of what you're paid to actually generate those leads for the business, and you keep the profit in between. Now, the reason I love this business for beginners is it's very low capital to start. You learn sales, you learn team building, you learn outreach, and you learn a skill, whether it's website design, graphic design, Facebook ads, posting on social media. There's a wide variety of services you can offer. It also allows you to work within your passion. So let's say that you really love dogs. You could start a company that posts on Instagram for dog e-commerce brands or animal e-commerce brands. That allows so much flexibility, so little capital to start, and it just teaches you so many skills. Now, my most profitable businesses have always been agencies. I love the model. I'm always gonna have an agency of some sort, and that's why I highly recommend it for people looking for a business to start in 2021. The second business that I would consider starting is a furniture flipping business. Now, I have been obsessed with following people doing this on TikTok and also on YouTube. And obviously, as a digital nomad, this is one thing I can't do. However, back when I was around 16, 17, I used to make pretty good money flipping clothing from Goodwill, yard sales, Facebook Marketplace, on eBay. And the thing with it is it required a large volume to make money, because you might only make $10 to $20, $30 on a piece of clothing. Where with furniture, you can make $50, $100, $200 every time you flip a piece of furniture. So if you're someone who's creative and loves to shop like I do, I love shopping for gems. It's a really fun business model to pull in an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. And it's actually something that I want to do as a hobby business whenever I take a break from traveling and go home for a while. Now, the third business is affiliate marketing with YouTube. Now, I do sometimes have affiliate links in my YouTube channel, and quite obviously I'm looking to grow my YouTube channel, but I've seen so many people make a killing, not even selling a course, just building up a YouTube channel around a certain niche and then offering affiliate products down in the description that they genuinely like and making money off that. If you run a crypto channel, having a Binance affiliate link, or investing channel Robinhood, or travel channel Airbnb. There's affiliate programs in really every niche, and it's a great way to make content and have fun and also make a nice profit. And especially if you are someone who enjoys being on camera, I think this is a fantastic business opportunity. Those are the 3 businesses that I would consider starting in 2021. If you want me to dive more in depth into any one of these businesses, feel free to go ahead and leave a comment, and I'm more than happy to do so. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some ideas. That is it for today. I will see you in the next one.